Hi guys!
How you doing, guys?
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your girl Jody.
This is your boy David.
And today we're gonna do What's in My Mouth challenge. Are you guys ready for today's show?
I ain't ready.
Why not?
I don't know. Alright, let's
He's a little bit scared.
put my big boy pants on. Let's go.
Your big boy time.
Yeah. I don't know what you put in my mouth.
So guys, this is my item. He doesn't know what is inside because I put my items when he was asleep. So this is my item, guys. You got your items?
Yes, I got the.
Wait, I hope you don't put no shit in my mouth.
I got the black.
Your black bag.
You can't see it.
All right,
I went to the
guys.
store to get these items. These are the rules. She got 5 items. I got 5 items. You could get items from your house, but she do all the cooking, so that's why I'm this big. So I already know what's in out. So I have to like go outside and get something for her.
You don't know what I got, babe. You don't know what I got.
I'm scared, guys. So look, matter of fact, if she kill me, we got witnesses on this camera. I don't know what's in that bag.
I can't kill my handsome husband.
No, man, she's trying to make me blush before she give me some poison in there. So the thing is, we got 2 separate spoons. We got a spit bag. Because if you're going to do this challenge, and if your wife or husband are evil, you need a spit bag. So let's get this game on his roll.
All right, here's your spoon.
Okay.
So he's gonna be blindfolded, and I'm gonna give him the 5 items, and he's gonna tell me. He's gonna figure out what it is in his mouth. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Let me see. You seen? What am I doing here?
I can't see.
You can't see?
I can't see. A little bit tight, but
Don't cover up your nose and stifle
I
yourself
can
under
breathe.
there,
I can
babe.
breathe. I can breathe. Go.
You can breathe?
Yes. I can breathe.
Okay.
Just know my tooth hurts, so be careful on this side. My tooth is killing me.
Okay, papi. So, babe, how's your morning going?
It's going good, but I'm not hungry, babe.
You're not hungry?
Nah, I don't want nothing at the moment.
Okay.
You should have went. I should have went first.
Why?
Okay.
Okay, guys, so here is my blouse keep riding up. I'm sorry, guys. So here is the 5 items, okay? All right, so guys, we're gonna start it off with this. Are you guys seeing it? Hi, babe.
Hey.
Okay.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Just gonna give him a little bit because it's... All right, open your mouth. No, let me cover his nose.
Say it smells like.
Stop smelling like what?
I don't know. It smells.
Can I cover your nose?
I
So you
can't
won't
breathe.
smell it? So you won't smell it?
Okay.
It's gonna turn you off. All right, here you go.
Put a little bit. Put a little
I
bit.
put a little bit. I did. Okay, come.
Okay.
Don't be a baby. Open your mouth. What is it, babe?
Where'd get?
What is that, babe?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's mad. I need water.
You need water?
I need water.
All right. Here you go.
You need water.
Okay, babe.
What was that?
No, you gotta tell me what
No,
it is.
I don't know.
It was jerk sauce. You hate jerk sauce. Ah. Okay, babe. You're not gonna die.
My teeth burn. That's how hot.
Your teeth or your gum?
My teeth, man.
Wipe your mouth off.
You should give me that lies.
Why?
'Cause
All
it's
right,
not
let's
hot.
move on to
All right.
the other item. We got this, guys. Poor baby.
You know, poor baby.
All right, here. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Lay back your head.
Wait,
Lay back your head.
Nah, bro, I'm not laying back in my head, man.
All right, just put your head back a little bit. Open your mouth now.
Alright.
What is that?
Ah!
Oh, this is so funny.
Yo, what?
Hey,
Ah!
here.
Why are you giving me?
What is that?
Oh my god.
What is it?
I don't. Everything you're giving me is burning my mouth. Oh. Oh, I need Jesus to bless my mouth right now.
Today's Sunday. Gotta pray.
Oh, okay.
You gotta wipe your mouth off, baby.
With the water.
You water? I don't know where you put the water.
Oh my. Oh my gosh.
How are you feeling? Dang, killing that water bottle. Oh my God, guys.
I'll pay back.
Okay, so let's move on to
Come on.
the other item.
I don't want to play no more, yo.
You don't want to play?
I don't want to play. You so
Like
so
our fans,
mean.
our fans.
Forget the fans, you mean.
It's a treat to my husband.
This ain't treat, it's a punishment. I did something bad or something?
No, but you didn't do anything bad. All right, let's go. Another one. Open your mouth. Why you open your mouth like that?
I'm gonna burn.
All right, come.
I'll be out, yo. Come
I'm
on.
right at your mouth. Come.
Yo, I'll be up.
What is that? What is that? That tastes nice. Don't even bother. What is that?
I
What
don't
is
know.
it, babe?
I don't know. Give me weird tastes.
You don't know no item.
What is it?
I don't know.
Tell me I don't
What's
know.
ketchup?
You gotta give me one. I know ketchup. I'm not saying it because they might make fun of me how I say that word, so I'm not gonna say that
Hey, your
word.
beard needs to be wiped.
Give me a tissue. Oh yeah, you got a tissue. Like, all right.
Wait.
Oh my god, you see these guys? She gave me some nasty stuff. She trying to burn my mouth, and my soul is burned right now. I can't take this. Ooh.
Gotta cut all that out.
No.
Here.
Don't cut that out.
So you know you see it, cause all you
No.
know where the water is.
I know where I put it at. Don't cut
Okay,
nothing out.
guys.
Don't cut nothing out. Good.
Our fourth item.
You meant to.
Okay. Here comes the airplane. Here you go, baby.
Just wash my tooth. I don't know.
Okay. What is that?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal? You like that taste?
No. Oatmeal.
No, it's not oatmeal.
What is it?
It's breadcrumbs, plain.
Oh.
To go on meatballs, stuffings, chicken, cutlets,
It's like oatmeal, bro.
casseroles. All right, and the last and the final one. Are you guys ready? Babe, are you ready?
No.
Let me wipe my baby mouth. You look at me, papi.
I don't trust you.
I'm wiping your mouth
You
out.
burned my lip.
All right, give me a kiss.
I don't know. You burned my lip.
All right, guys. Last and final item.
This is payback for the hot sauce I gave you last episode, right?
Babe, don't kill me for this one. Let's take it off camera if you're gonna say something.
Nah.
All right. Here.
I think I know what's that.
Here.
Yo, why that bag sound familiar, yo?
Out.
What that?
No, excuse your hand. Open your mouth.
No, just what? Why that bag sound familiar? Yo, just put it. No homo, put it in my mouth.
Okay. Airplane.
That's not. It's cat food, yo.
Yay! food. Shout out cat food.
Okay, you give me cat food.
You ain't gonna die.
Okay.
Are you okay?
No, don't touch me. You abuse my mouth.
Abuse your mouth.
And not in a good way.
Come. Hey!
Oh.
That's gonna be on my mouth. Here.
Alright, man. Okay. And guys, my items is not hurtful items. But the last one is definitely gonna be.
Alright guys, we're back. So it's gonna be my 5 items that he's gonna give me.
Put the blindfold on now.
Okay.
And let the game begin.
Let's go. I can't see you. Guys, I hope it's nothing poisonous. Oh my god. I'm gonna call my mom before I die.
So the first item, guys, is
my bag won't be open now. So I can't find the entrance of my bag. Okay.
open your mouth.
Please don't put a lot.
Open your mouth.
There.
I'm not allowed. Open your mouth.
Alright. I could smell it from you opening peanut butter.
Sounds nice. I want to see you. I'll give you peanut butter.
I know you love me.
You ain't gonna say that too long. Alright, guys. What you doing?
No, I'm just putting it up. I can't breathe. You want to get it white?
If you talking, you can breathe.
My mouth is all good.
Yeah.
Listen to me.
The second item is
Oh my god. Why do I feel this nervous? My knees shaking, my feet shaking.
because you did bad stuff to me, so you scared.
Babe, please. I'm cooking Sunday dinner and I don't want to be nauseous, so please don't give me anything crazy.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
So why you laughing?
Open your mouth.
Why you holding my back? Hey. Why you holding my back?
Open your mouth wide.
Why? No.
And the spoon. Just open your mouth. You know? Nah, I want my wide for you.
Yeah.
Wait. No, open your mouth.
Right.
I gotta put it in your mouth.
No, you can't.
I gotta put it in your mouth.
Don't put nothing in my mouth.
You ain't nothing in your mouth. Open your mouth.
Babe, I hope it's not
Open
loud.
your mouth and not loud.
What?
Open your mouth.
Hey. Alright, ready. I can open my mouth like this. Oh.
Alright.
Fuck. What the fuck is that? What's that? Fucking black pepper.
You're right.
I'm a chef, so I know.
Okay.
Okay, man, evil.
Ooh.
Oh, you trying to give me black pepper. Trying to kill my eggs. Oh my god, I could tell what is that. Whoa! Why are you opening?
Brand new.
It's brand new? God.
You won't guess this.
Let me smell. Sardine. Guys, what is it?
Open your mouth. Oh, wait. Forgot to show.
Ew.
Guys, is this. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Sausage?
Kinda. Yeah,
That's it?
spam.
What?
It's spam.
I never had that. Look, I never had that.
You gotta fry that, put it on some bread, put some cheese. So you guys, if you need a sandwich quick, by ham is the best way to go.
Jesus Christ. Never had that. But I'm gonna see when I take this shit off my face.
Well, guys,
My mouth. Oh,
she's gonna get this, guys.
my mouth stinks. What's that? Oh my. Everything you're open. Oh my god. Oh. I hope my mom watching this to see how evil you are to his wife, to his daughter. Guys, are you guys Team Jody or Team David? Comment below and see.
You gonna like this.
Comment below,
Hold
guys.
on, you gonna like this. Open your mouth. God, it's one little piece, I promise.
Okay.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
That shit has no taste. What the fuck you just put in my mouth? No, babe. What did you just put in my mouth?
Stop cursing. No more cursing, please.
What did you put in my
No
mouth?
cursing. I'll tell you after after the next one I'll show you.
Guys,
why are you cursing? How you curse? Don't curse.
right now,
Cursing is bad.
I feel nauseous. Not even nauseous. Nauseous. No, babe. Oh, this is the last, right? Is this the last?
Yeah, I like this one. I'm gonna try it later.
Okay.
Oh.
Right now, I just feel like I need Jesus. Today's Sunday. I'm not even gonna curse.
You better curse a couple of times.
Okay.
You gonna like this.
Nah, that smell turned me off.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
That smell turned me off, babe.
you this? So you like the other one compared to this one?
Hey!
Take open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
What's that, mama?
Open your mouth. I'm crying. Open your mouth.
Huh?
Open your mouth. You like it?
It's going in my nose.
You don't like it? You don't like this?
I don't know what is it.
I'm cursing.
I don't know what it is.
You bought it. The cream cheese.
Oh shit! All right.
She bought this and she said she liked it, but she was scared.
That was that sentence. Wet cat food?
I can't breathe.
Oh. Why you can't breathe?
You put cat in my mouth. Baby,
Babe, the wet one?
Woo! Shadow! Where you at, Shadow? Jody tried it out, so she said it's good. You can have it now.
I gave you the dry cat food.
One.
You gave me the wet cat food, babe. And it went straight in my mouth.
It says chicken dinner and gravy. You like chicken? Alright, guys. I know I'll pay for that later on, but she gave me cat food first, so now I don't feel bad. But she gave
What is this?
spy ham is good. You cook that.
Never. You cook it?
Yeah.
So you put a raw thing in my mouth?
No, you eat raw and you cook it at the same time. So, guys, thank you for watching. Oh, I hope you had a blast. Like we just had a blast. And please tell me who you think won the challenge. Who you think had the best reaction. Because somebody who's been cursing, naughty potty mouth you got there. So, guys, I got my cat. Let's see if my cat will eat the cat food. Oh, let me see. Man, she don't even like it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat the cat food.
Give her the treat.
No, eat. She smelled other stuff, that's why. Oh, she did. So, guys, at least one of my pussies like the cat, like the food. Right?
So, guys, that's Shadow. She doesn't like me at all. So, that's why I had to move. All right, guys. Ew. Hey, you feel like cat hair. Ew.
Alright. But thank you for watching the Jody and David show. Or David and Jody show. You know, because, you know, I'm the king. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and put a like. And write a comment. Tell me what you like about this episode. And next week, I don't know what we're going to do. But we're going to do something funny. So I'll catch y'all later. So good morning, good evening, good night. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Man up, you gave me some hot stuff.
No, you're not gonna throw.
Alright, go throw in the bathroom. Go throw in the bathroom. Alright, go.